Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jennifer Miller, also known as Amethyst Winters. I am a mother, co-parenting, I'm an author, and I am a makeup lover. Today's video is my Secret Santa unboxing. I am part of the Faithful Fab 10. We are now 10. Back when we were Fab 9, we did a Secret Santa drawing, and we each got a person, and you know how it goes. So, who got me was Dezi from Dezi's Corner. Huh, I never knew her full name. Oh, sorry, girl. Trying to get that. I am using my phone because my camera is... So, whatever. I will get a new one in time, and I am not worried about it. So, let's get started, but a little something. Yeah, this is first. I already did this video, but my camera didn't like it and it deleted it completely. I don't even know why. I know it was recording, and I know the thing was full, but it never deletes it before. It has never deleted it before. It just, all of a sudden it disappeared. So, yeah, and my son's coming in, so don't mind him. But we're going to get started because, oh my goodness, she gave me a ton. And,
here, Mom.
No, thank you. Okay, come.
Cody.
Thank you. Love you. Thank you. Hi.
Hi.
So let's get started because she gave me a lot. I was spoiled this Christmas. Yoo! I was so spoiled this Christmas. Wow. I had a great Christmas. So, okay. I got good friends. Okay. Starting with, okay. This is a candle. It's in sweet apple. Oh, woo, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And we're going to, like I said, we're going to go through this fast. And unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to take, and she's not going to get it. I told her, I said, dang it, you're not going to be able to see my first reaction. But, oh my gosh, I'm giving you a hug for Christmas. I love this. I will, you know, because when I read this, oh, check this out. She wrapped everything, and I, of course, like I said, I unwrapped it. I did this already. I cannot wait to try this foot pampering. My feet are so bad, and I think I'm pre-diabetic, and it is so important for a diabetic to take good care of their feet. So I am so, oh, these are so soft. Where is it? There it is. These are so soft. I cannot wait, girl. I cannot wait. Okay, moving on. I'm sorry. Moving on. Ooh, and this is going to come in handy. It has the verse, one of my favorite verses, and everybody knows this verse. Sorry, hair. This is a planner. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is just beautiful. I love it. Okay. Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways submit to him, and he will make your path straight. Okay, I have to move on. There's a lot of stuff in here. If I don't keep moving, this video will be 50 minutes long. Holy moly. This was my son, because we, like I said, already done it, already knows about it. He is so anxious for me to do this video so that he can get it into this. This is full of chocolates. Isn't that cute though? I love that. That is so freaking adorable. And I'm going to reuse this again and again and again. Oh, cannot wait to dig in those. I have, oh, I don't want to do this first. I don't want to. I cannot wait. I'm going to put all these on. This is, I thought this was so cute. And because we already got into this, it's so hard to read. And my son started taking it out. I was like, don't. It's Girl, I'm gonna have troubles. It's Angel's Wings. I don't know if you can see it. Ah, because we... Ah, no! Man down, man down. See? Isn't that so sweet? I love angels. I mean, if you'd only be smart to love angels. Because they're looking out for you. I believe in them 100%. I totally do. I know they're real. I know they're real. And they do look after you. So I have called on them many times. Not just for myself, but for other people. Most of the time other people's, but sometimes myself. So, okay. I'm going to have to get that one in it. Oh my gosh, I remember just... Oh my gosh. This is a 4-pack of soaps, all natural holiday blend bath bars. 4 soap bars. There's cranberry mandarin, winter mint. Noel is in lavender vanilla, and Hope is in oatmeal shea. Isn't that cool? That is awesome. I would have... She has amazing taste. She just, oh my gosh, I love her so much. I got these 3 little goodies here. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is Beauty Rush. It is a Minty Shine by Victoria's Secret. I haven't been to Victoria's Secret in years. Probably 2 or 3 years. I used to go there all the time, but I haven't been to the mall in a long time, and I have definitely not been to the Victoria's Secrets in a while. But always wanted to try Thrive Cosmetics, and I cannot wait to try this. This is a lip gloss, glossy lip, hydrating serum by Thrive. Like I said, it is in the color Rush. Yep, you can't see that, but it's such a beautiful color. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wouldn't that be such a pretty shade? Oh, that would match me perfectly. Absolutely. And then there's this one. She knows I like my reds. Yeah, because you can't tell it. No, not at all. Not at all. Pretty nice. Oh, yeah. So, hello. Hello, sunshine. Ooh. I have seen this. I have seen people try this. I cannot wait to give this a first impression. Not to mention, I just can't wait to use it because I love Makeup Revolution. I am a huge fan of Makeup Revolution. I'm going to put in a haul because I've only got a couple of their palettes, and there's like a dozen that I want. No. There's like 5 dozen that I want. And I cannot wait to put in an order. So I'm going to be, yeah, real soon. But yeah, I love Makeup Revolution. Okay. So, I don't want to do this yet. Not yet. This is Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser by Glam Glow. Girl, I need me some new stuff. Yes, I do. My son has already tried this. Oh, smells incredible. This is 1,000 Wishes by Bath and Body Works. Yes. She, like I said, she went overboard. I am so spoiled. Isn't that gorgeous though? And smells amazing. Yes, I put some on. Oh, smells amazing. And then I have these. These are Spa-scriptions Hemp Makeup Cleansing Wipes. They are going right down here because right here is where I do all my, take it all off. And I am running out, or was running low, so yes, got me some wipes. That's a big package too. Heck yeah, normal is 40, there's 60 in here. That's 50% more. I can do math. Okay, I am moving on. Okay, you're coming in time in just a second. Then I have this. How did you know that I needed some? Just the other day. Just the other day. I was out and I was scraping my windshield for the, to go to work in the morning, and when I got done, I was like, where are my gloves? I need my gloves. Yay! I got a gloves, hat, and scarf. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I just love this. Oh, there it is. There it is. Juicy. It's by Juicy Couture. Juicy Couture. I love it. I've never owned a Juicy Couture either. Not even their fragrance. That's kind of like my 5th fragrance. I've got 2 more before I want to get that. So, ooh, ooh, ooh. And then there's this, no problem, no problem, Prime Essence. I get out of the picture. I am apologizing. Oh, it's got, yep, I cannot read that, but it's flower extract. I can't wait to try this. I've heard a lot of good things about this, so I cannot wait to try this. I will probably be doing a full face of new to me, nearly full face of new to me products. And we have long hair. I think every single one of us in the club almost pretty much has long hair. So, but this is definitely going to come in handy. I've always wanted one of these. Never bought the bullet, bit the bullet to try it, but I've always wanted one of these. Pardon me, 1 second. Okay, sorry about that. She also got me these hydration masks. I'm gonna be masking. I don't have enough to do like Mask Monday yet, but I see all the girls doing it. I kind of want to start doing it myself, but I don't do masks. I might do me a mask tonight. It's my weekend. I am ready, guys. I am ready. Bless you. Sorry, my son sneezed. And I have me. I cannot wait to try this. Oh my gosh. Ooh, watermelon. It's by Perlice. And it's watermelon energizing 2-minute polishing peel. Gently resurfaces skin, smoothing boosts radiance.
It takes 5 to 7 minutes for it to cook.
Oh wow, it should be done shortly. Hey, okay, and oh my gosh, yes. Okay, we're gonna go. Okay, so she got me 2 palettes. I'm like so stoked. Hello, I am an Aquarius. This is me in a palette. Hello, and these stinking colors are freaking gorgeous. I love them. This is so pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. I love it. I absolutely love it. I just think it is so beautiful. So beautiful. This is my favorite palette of theirs. Of the Zodiac series. Woo! Not just because it's Aquarius, but it's my colors. It's my jam. Sorry, my hair is, ugh. It needs to be washed, but ugh. And she got me the Stellar Collision. Woo! I've been wanting this. And I had it in my cart, and I'm like, no, don't do it. I'll just wait till next time and pay full price. But I don't have to worry about it. Oh, those colors are so pretty. Sorry about the mirror. I can't even see. But aren't they pretty? Just so pretty. I'm going to say pretty probably a couple dozen times. Pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. But yeah, I've been wanting this palette. Okay, sorry. If I'm a little closer, it's because I adjusted it and all that. Okay. Huh. Okay. Words. She also got me this. little quick story. I can't. Okay. So at my store, they have your basic one of these. I had one growing up as a teenager in my house, and at my mom's house, I should say. And I've seen it at Walmart. I've always wanted to get one. Never bought the bullet. Bit the bullet and never just, and they're not. This one is totally different, by the way. But the one they have at Walmart is only $30. I could have done it, but I just never did. And now I have one. So pleased. I cannot thank you enough, Dezi. This is so cool. I cannot wait to use this. This is so neat. And it has a, on this one, it's 1 times. This side is 2, and down here is 3. So I can go all the way up to, sorry, this hair, all the way up to 3 times magnification. I love that. Plus, of course, it lights up. I just cannot wait. I cannot wait. This has been an awesome Christmas. Awesome Christmas. And then you have this complete set, Wet n Wild brushes. I love Wet n Wild brushes. I have several, and I freaking love them. They are so good. She spoiled me. I cannot say enough. Girl, thank you so very much. You have a heart of gold. Oh, everybody in this group has huge hearts. And that's why I love this group. And that's why when Faye started it around, and she was talking to me about it, and I was like, sure, let's do it. And that's why when we started this group, I immediately thought of Dezi and Dee Dee and Beth and Nat and Chanel and Teresa and Laura, and now we have Tina, and we are a full 10 people. I love it. I think it's awesome, and these people are amazing. Dezi, love you so much. Thank you for doing this for me. Thank you for being such a great friend. Oh my gosh. People in your life are so blessed. So I am very blessed. Very blessed. Sorry, I heard something weird outside. Right by my window right there. And that was weird. But thank you so much, girl. I cannot wait to use everything. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for going over and beyond. I am blessed. Thank you so much. And I am going to wrap this up because this video is probably about 20 minutes long, maybe 25, and I don't want to take up any more of your time. But Dezi, thank you so much. And thank you everyone for watching and for sticking out with me and seeing how much she did for me. And I'm blessed. Have a great day, and I will see you. Oh, click like, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. Subscribe, like, yep. I will see you in my next video. Bye.